everyone! Selena Sensei here, taking a break, and we're going to Tokyo Sky Tree.
どれ？ありがとう。わあ、美味しそう。いただきます。
知らない。だってあんまってないじゃん。
Now at the fourth floor of Skytree Tower and enjoying this strawberry. So yummy and sweet. とても美味しいです。食べてみてくださいね。
It's Christmas.
So here we are at the Christmas market.
Sky Tree, Tokyo Sky Tree.
There's illumination and well, very cold outside. There's a lot of people enjoying Christmas market. There are a lot of food stalls right over there. And here we are. It's too cold outside. So it's got out again, and this time it's not really cold. There's the Christmas tree. Wow, beautiful. Santa Claus is coming to town. Oh, I want to fly with that horse. Santa Claus is coming to town. Hey, time for pictures. Take turns. And got this very delicious soup, lobster soup.
どうやって足しびれたの？
あ、しびれた。Under the sky tree, Tokyo sky tree. Yay!
行くよ。
Hot wine in hot soup. おまるなんていう？
オマールエビ。
おまるエビスープ。Lobster soup. 何もなかった。こうやってやろう。Hi, there's the tree.
There's the tree.
There's the tree. Sky tree.
Christmas tree.
なんで出ない？ね、綾の声も入ってるけど大丈夫？
いいけど。
そっちも同じ。いただきます。Wow, giant gyoza.
Gyoza and ramen are just right for cold season. Very yummy, so comforting. So it's Christmas season here in Japan and of course everywhere around the world. So there will be a lot of illumination and I hope you could join me, have fun and wait for my vlogs. I'm just taking a break and we'll do N5 grammar tutorials and of course N4 reading comprehension. So wait for it. Thank you for watching. And good luck to us again. Bye!